Man, how crazy is this? I have this to myself. A full highway with no one on it. Hey everyone, my name is Diana. I'm a nomad. I lived and traveled in my SUV full time. And today I am on this beautiful desert shore heading back to Arizona. Well, it's currently 70 degrees and it's not a swimming weather, but I'm wearing a shorts. So it's that kind of weather. I left Malibu because it was just crazy with all the fires and stuff like that. Can you believe that I found smoke remains on my car? Like, I have a video where I'm gonna insert in this to show you how toxic the air is. And I was like 3 hours out of there and I still have smoke remains on my car. So here is the video, a little clip that I took. I couldn't believe it myself. Look at this. My car is full of ashes from the fire. Look at that. All of that is ashes. Look at this. Oh my. Wow, it's so toxic. So I didn't want to breathe in all that pollution. The fire's going on and it's spreading fast. So I just flee the area. So now I am here. I'm heading back to Arizona. Yeah, which is a lot safer because you never know. Like, the fire was just moving and I got out of there fast. Oh, let me turn back. I forgot my car keys in my car, my little pouch. My car door is not even locked. Let me go lock it.
I don't want it, but you do want the party without.
Feels like a swamp. Like I'm sinking. It's all salt.
I don't want it, but you do want the party without the north. And I'll be the way that we can't be the one. But we know what you want, you were.
My last video, I was leaving Cali. I was leaving Cali and I was 3 hours away into the journey. And I took a couple stops, walk on the beach a little bit and did some scenic drive on my way to Arizona. So I am now in Arizona and I am at my favorite spot that I always come to, and it's the LA Fitness. So I could take a shower, I can relax, no one's bother you here, and then I moved over later on in the evening to Cracker Barrel to sleep. So now I'm here and I am so hungry. I just got in this morning. I slept at this rest stop on my way back to Arizona, and it was just horrible. I mean, it was a big rest stop. I mean, beautiful. The everything was clean. The amenities were clean. The bathrooms, the area, everything was clean and it was comfortable. But for me, it was a nightmare because this guy came right next to my car and turned on his generator and left it all night running. People are passing behind me. And left the generator all night running. Until 6 a.m. this morning. And I hardly get any sleep. He was right next to me. And then the parking lot was crowded. It was packed. It was packed. There was no space left. Like, it was so many van lifers there. Like, it was just busy. And the parking lot was, it was a good sized parking lot. But I can't believe it, because I got out of my car at one point and I looked around and to find to just get away from that guy with the generator, and there was no spot. Like, some weird spot was available. So I didn't bother. I just went back to my car and lay down and call it a night. I hardly get any sleep, and that was just horrible. Like, I hate these people that come next to you and just turn on their loud generator and just leave it running all night. That's horrible. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna make myself some dinner. I am so hungry and tired from last night. I hardly get any sleep, so I'm just gonna make some quick pasta. My favorite way of doing it, just pasta. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I have a special way how I do it, and I enjoy it because I'm not in the mood for any kind of meat source or anything like that. All right, some Tony spice, spaghetti, cherry tomatoes, and butter. Well, forgive the butter. It's been through a lot. It's coming from California. this butter have a rough time. Trust me. I am also watching a movie, so you're gonna hear some background noise while I cook. The spaghetti is done. I'm gonna do the second touch. Okay, I transfer the noodles to my frying pan, and this is step 2. My space is tiny, so please bear with me. Don't forget, I'm in an SUV cooking, so I have to work with the space that I have. Okay, and that's it. Dinner is done. It's very simple. Quick, 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops, and it's done and ready to eat. Okay, dinner is served. You can also add some cheese on it, but I don't have any cheese. Like I said, I was driving all night. I didn't get to sleep much, so I didn't go to the store. So this is what I got. Let's try these cherry tomatoes. Mm. Oh my God. Mm. Mm. I can eat this all day. Mm. The butter gave it that flavor. It's all about the butter. It's all about the butter and the Tony seasoning. Very good. It says great for everything. Simple dinner. Just a simple dinner. And so good. Ah, tomatoes are good. Mm. I'm eating too fast. Too fast. Mm. Mm. There you have it. Best dinner ever. Simple and good. So now it's time for dessert. I bought this at Safeway. It is, what is this? Caramel nut sticky bun. Oh yeah. It's actually like a cinnamon roll. That looks good. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. My. Oh, really good. It's sweet though. I'm gonna have to take a 2-day diet after this.
Ain't no sheriff. Huh? Ain't no sheriff in this town. Hence the fresh graves.
Be clear of me, Joe. You do the same. Otherwise, most likely you're a dead man. I don't usually tell them. Shit heal. Prisoner number 387, Joe Crimmins. Your paperwork came in the afternoon mail. Tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
To Mexico. I sent out patrols, thought we could head them off, find them before they got to the border. We missed them. So, son of a bitch is asking for $10,000 in ransom money, which I will not pay. I do not reward criminals, but I am willing to offer you $2,000 to bring Rachel back. $500 advance.
Good morning, everyone. Well, after my dinner, I relaxed and watched a movie last night. And then I moved over to Cracker Barrel, which I got the best sleep last night. I feel like a brand new person today. But I can't help thinking about Cali. Like seeing the fire spreading with your own eyes than watching it on TV. It's totally different. I'm still dramatized from seeing people around me crying. And the town, it looks like a ghost town or feel like a ghost town. The air in California is so polluted that I'm still finding ashes remain on my car. So I'm gonna take my car in today and give it a good wash. My condolences go out to everyone in California, and I still feel like I could stay behind and help out a little bit. Yeah, it's just sad. It's sad. So guys, I am gonna get dressed and go do some Instacart, get some money, make some money, and I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Goodbye from Arizona.